ចូលដើម្បីយើងស្វាគមន៍សូមបងប្អូនទៀតដៃហើយសូមស្វាគមន៍ដល់គឹមថាអាមែនដាហើយនឹងកូនប្រុសទាំងពីរសូមស្វាគមន៍ដល់គូជូ and Katie ហើយសូមស្វាគមន៍ដល់ហេងបញ្ញាម្ដាយហើយនឹងកូនប្រុសតែមួយ Do we have any guests from the next generations? If you have any guests, just want to welcome everybody. ហើយបងប្អូនដែលធ្វើដំណើរបងប្អូនដែលត្រឡប់មកពី vacation, college student, if you're here for the weekend, for the wedding, we just want to take this time to welcome you. Okay? Please stand up, just greet each other in the name of the Lord, and the next generation, you made it to the classes.